One day, Tintin was having so much fun playing in her room. Her room was getting messier and messier. Then suddenly, Tintin stopped. She looked around. Oh! Her toys were all over the place. Just then, Mama appeared at the door. Tintin, it's time to clean up your toys. Tintin looked at the big mess. Where do I even start? She wondered. Then Tintin took a deep breath and picked up one small toy. I can start here, one toy at a time. Tintin picked up her blocks, placed her dolls neatly on the shelf, and gathered her crayons into a box. Little by little, the room began to change. At last, the room was clean. Tintin stood tall, feeling proud of herself. Mama came back and looked around. Tintin, you did a wonderful job. Tintin beamed with happiness. Now, Tintin played again, but this time, neatly and carefully, and her room stayed clean, just the way she liked it.